Alright, the shaft seems to have excessive play. It just moves around way too much. I can't see it.